Welcome to our house. Okay, so you come in the door, and first thing is our laundry room. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house. Okay, so one of the best parts about our laundry room is we have this folding station. So what we do is we have a dirty basket and a clean basket. And when the clothes get out of the dryer, I bring them over here and I fold and hang clothes, and then I take them to where they need to go in the house. Love this. And then we also have this storage here with these cabinets. They are soft clothes. Shout out to Mississippi Wood. I'll be tagging them down in the description so that if you live in North Mississippi, you can give them a call for a quote today. Best cabinets you'll ever find. And they can do anything you want them to do. We got this cabinet above our sink. If you're thinking about putting a sink in your laundry room, do it and don't jip. Upgrade to the big sink. You want this sink. We use this sink almost every single day. And like when I'm done mopping, I can even fit my mop bucket in here upside down so that it can dry and before I put it up. Love this sink. And then we have our washer and dryer. I love this washer and dryer. I bought these when we built this house, and we have the Maytag Pet Pro system. They're very large capacity, so if you have a big family, definitely get it. Very large barrel. We really love this washer and dryer. Maytag Pet Pro system. And then we keep our vacuums hanging in here also. One of my favorite rooms in the house, unfortunately. And it's messy right now, but this is our hall tree. Mississippi Wood also built this. They did a lot of the stuff in our house. And we're gonna get drawers to go down there to keep all the shoes stored away where you can't see them, but right now it's like, that usually is messy. So then we go in here, we've got our bedroom. We've got the baby's pack and play because the baby sleeps in here. It's a little bit messy right now. We've got it semi-made up. The pillows that are not on the bed are kind of smushed in the corners. So we got a king size bed. We got our 2 windows in here that brings in a lot of light. And one of my favorite things about this room is we've got 4 can lights and this middle light, and it just really lights up the room when you're getting ready in the morning or anything like that. And then we've got our desk area over here that we work at. So then you come through here and you have the bathroom. We have our really nice deep soaker tub that we love. And then we've got our large walk-in shower and then our 2 vanities. And one of my favorite things about our cabinets in here, we've got these little hidden like pull-out drawers, and this is where we keep our toothbrush and toothpaste on both sides, and those are also slow close, which is amazing. And then we have this that holds all of our stuff, and then we've got our deep drawers that are also slow close. And then we've got our toilet stuff over here. And we've got this nice window above our bathtub that lets in some light. And then our closet. I love, love, love our closet. So we've got my side of the closet and we've got Charlie's side of the closet. Lots of shoes. And I love having this mirror in here because I can come into this room and just get completely ready. And I have my full body mirror there to see what I'm wearing for the day. I have that OOTD. So on to the rest of the house. So you come through here and we have our pantry. This is probably the kids' favorite room in the house. And you can see, look at this. Little snakes done got into the Reese's morsels, I see. You have to watch them because they stay in here a lot. One thing that we didn't do that now we're kind of like we should have done is put a lock doorknob on this door because our kids will get in here and just do crazy stuff. So yeah, this is our pantry. I love having a big open pantry. It's awesome. It holds all the things we need and even holds my crock pots and things like that. So yeah, I love that. So you come into here and this is our living area. So we've got the kitchen over here. We've got our large island that I love with the 2 hanging pendants. Slow close drawers over here. So we did all drawers on the bottom of our kitchen and then cabinets in the top. We've got our Frigidaire refrigerator. We love this refrigerator. It has ice here, and then it also makes these little cubes down here. That's probably one of my favorite things about this fridge. And then you go this way. We got our deep sink. We love this sink. And we've got our huge 10-person table. And yeah, we love all that. And then this is our living room. We've got our big couch that we all can hang out on. And the mantle still has to go up here, but that is the mantle that's gonna go here. And then our nice open shelving with our cabinets for storage down below. We love this. I love having the natural wood mixed with the white. I just think it makes it feel really homey and kind of like modern farmhouse. I'm gonna show you guys the screened in back porch too. We love our screened in back porch. We got our black stone out here for Mama's cooking videos. And this is it. The kids have been out here making a mess, so it's like a mess out here right now. They have taken over the back porch in the mornings, even though it's hot as blue blazings in this Mississippi heat. Okay. We're gonna go to the kids' end of the house now. So this is the girls' room. Pretty in pink. Very cute. We have 2 closets in both of the kids' rooms since the kids are sharing a room. This is a large walk-in closet. Let you go over there and show it to them. Mississippi Wood did the closets also. They're pretty sweet. I kind of keep using this closet for storage for like the girls' future clothes because Waverly wears a lot of Belle's hand-me-downs. So I'll keep them in tubs, divided by sizes. And then this is the main closet they actually use, and it's a smaller one. So one side is Belle's stuff, the other side is Waverly's. And on to the boys' room. Oh yeah, and we also have this little hall closet here that I keep stuff just jammed in, stored in, whatever. And then the kids' bathroom is here. Just what they need, 2 sinks. We got a girl sink and a boy sink, and toilet, shower, bath combo. All right, keep going down the hallway, and we have the boys' room. So in here, got the boys' bunk bed. Eventually, Shepherd will move in here with Asher. They got their desk. Asher just broke his keyboard piano, so that is why this is here and looks like this. And then they actually have a pass-through closet. That's pretty sweet. So one side is Asher, one side is Shepherd in here. Pretty sweet closet. I actually like it a lot, and they love it because I don't know if your kids watch like secret rooms on YouTube, but they think it's like a secret room in between the closets. So they have a big time with that. Alrighty. And then keeping on going down the hallway, this is actually our 4th bedroom, but we use it as a playroom. And this is where our kids play and watch TV and chill. And there's also a large closet in here too. So, because one day we figured this may be a bedroom. And we love keeping toys in there too. I keep a lot of their toys in there just because it gives them more floor space to play with. All their costumes and stuff stay in there. They like to play dress up quite a bit. So this is the U-Hire Family Homestead. So we have our RV that we camp in, and then we have the homestead that we live in full time. So this is it, our humble abode. Just what we need for a family of 6.